morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we learn about topic number 3, which is order relation. Okay. So what are we going to write? Topic number 1, 2 and 3, which is the order relation. Okay. So we write order relation. Now children, since we have written this, okay, the order relation. Now you have learned in your previous class. What you have learned in your previous class? That the 2-digit number is always greater than the first digit number. For an example, 9 will always be smaller than 10. Okay? Why? Because this is a 2-digit number and this is 1-digit number. Similarly, if I write 10 and if I have to check here, and if I write 101, this number will always be greater. Okay? Why? Because it is a 2-digit number and 3-digit number. So 3-digit number will always be greater than the 2-digit number. Similarly, if we go on increasing the numbers, for an example, here 5, 0, 4, 9. This is a 4-digit number. Yes or no? Yes. And 6, 2, 0. This is a 3-digit number. So when such numbers are given and you have to find the relation which number is greater, when you have to find which number is greater, what will you do? You will straight up count the digit. This one has 3 digits, whereas this one has 4 digits. Automatically the 4-digit number is greater than the 3-digit number. So what will you do? You will put this. Okay. Similarly, if I go to the other number, for example the 5-digit number. Let's say the 5-digit number is 76549. Okay. And the 4-digit number is the 9876. Now you can see it has big numbers. Yes or no? 98476. Individually 1-digit numbers, these are the greatest 1-digit number. Okay. But when they are clubbed into various digits, always remember the number with the large number of digits or greater number of digits will always be greater than the number of smaller digits. Now look here, if this has 5 digits, 4 digits. So always remember 5-digit number will always be greater than the 4-digit number. Similarly, if I want to write the 6-digit number. Now look here, what is the 6-digit number? 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is a 6-digit number. And then I write 6, 8, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5-digit number. So again, if I ask you to put a relation here, which number is greater, what will you do? Straight up count the digits, 6-digit and 5-digit number. So you all know that the number with the greatest digit is always the greater number. So here 6-digit number will always be greater than the small digit number. So your sign will be this. Understood? I hope this is very much clear to you. Yes? Very good. Now you do not have to write this in your notebooks. Okay? This is only for your understanding purpose. ये जो टीचर ने बोर्ड पे लिखा है ये आप नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay? Now I am going to erase this. And now whatever teacher is writing, you will write in your notebook. Okay? Now, what is the first point? Now here, point number 1, that is A. Okay. Now what is the point here? The number with more digits. The number with more digits. Okay, the first point is the number with more digits is greater. Is, and put the greater here, let us continue. Is greater than the number with Okay. So what is the first point you have written here? Now look here. The number with the more digit is greater than the number with less digit. Now you have understood earlier also, हमने पहले ही सारे discuss कर लिए थे जितने भी examples थे, where you saw the number with more digit is always greater than the number with less digit. Now you will write here for example. Okay, 9 and 9 will always be greater than 9 and 9. Okay, because 3-digit number is always greater than the 2-digit number. Understood? So here again repeat the point. The number with more digit is greater than the number with less digit. Now see, this number is with more digit, it is always will be greater than the number with less digit. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear to you. So write down this in your board so that we can continue further. Write down this in your notebook. Now you have seen this. Now when comparing numbers with different digits becomes very easy. जब आपको उनका order relation देखना है या कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है, ठीक है? So when you have difference in digit, it becomes very easy to compare the number which one is greater, which one is smaller. For an example, the number with greater digit will always be greater, number with smaller digit will always be smaller. Okay. So for example, 3-digit number will always be smaller than the greater than the 2-digit number, and 3-digit number will always be smaller than the 4-digit number. Similarly, the chain goes on. Okay, so I will erase this. We will write the next point. Now next point में हम क्या करेंगे? Now you will ask me कि मैम ये तो 3 और 2 digit है, 4 और 5 digit है, 3 और 4 digit है, but what if the digits have equal number of digits? For example, दोनों digits के number जो है, जो दोनों numbers उनके digit जो है equal है, तब आप क्या करेंगे? So in that case we will write the another point. Okay, so I am going to erase this and we will write the another point जहाँ पर जो digits है बेटा वो क्या है? Equal. The numbers having equal digits. Okay, so you will write point B when, just first do not write when, just write numbers having equal digits. Okay, यहाँ पर number having equal digits. This also you will write in your notebooks. Okay, what happens when numbers having equal digits? For example, अगर ये 9 है, ये 9 है, ये 9 है, and 9, 8, 9. Now see, all three have. ऐसे केस में क्या करेंगे? जब this also has 3 digits, this also has 3 digits, तब आप क्या करेंगे? तो अब हम बताएंगे आपको यहाँ पे जब numbers जो हैं when they have equal digits, what will you do? Okay, so you will write numbers having equal digits. Now you will write the point. Now what is the point here? To compare two numbers. To compare two numbers having same number of digits. Okay, having same number of digits. To compare two numbers having same number of digits, we start comparing. Now start writing. We start comparing the digits from the leftmost position. compare two numbers having same numbers of digit, we start comparing from the leftmost position. Now इसका मतलब क्या है? What will you start doing? Suppose the number, again I am writing those same numbers, 999 and then you have 98. Now what is happening? What are you going to do? First you count the digits, 3 digit, left and right both have 3 digits. Now what will you do? You will start comparing from the leftmost position. तो आप leftmost position से start कर दोगे compare करना. 9 equal 9, तो आप इसको ignore करोगे. Then see the next number 9 and 8. Now which number is greater? 8 or 9? 9. So the leftmost position is greater number. Understood? तो यही टीचर ने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ to compare the two numbers having same number of digits. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है? Same digit से हमने उसको compare करना है. We start comparing from the leftmost position. You know the first position of the number is the leftmost position. ये दोनों same है. We will skip that digit and we will go to another digit. That is 9 and 8. Now you see यहाँ पे difference आ गए हमें दो numbers के. जहाँ एक जगह 9 है दूसरी जगह 8 है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम ये check करेंगे कि which digit is greater. Yes or no? So here now which digit is greater? 9. 8 is smaller. Then हम क्या करेंगे? We will just put the greater number sign here. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear to you. Yes. Now again we will solve the example number 1. Write this so that I can erase this. Yeah, you all will write the example. Don't write like this. Just write for example 9, 9, 9. Okay, what we have started? We started from the left. Okay, so write down this in your notebooks. I hope you have written this, so I can erase this. Okay. Now, what are you going to do? We are going to solve one example. Okay. So, this is page number 11. Page 11. Example 1. Okay. So, this is page number 1. Example 1. What is the question here? Which is greater? Okay. Which is greater? Now, your numbers are 351, 761, and the next number is the number 292, 8, 7, and you have 3. Now this is your question. Now what is the question? Which is greater? 351761. हम इसे कैसे रीड करेंगे? Straight up put the comma answer after every period and then and your. Okay, so how will you read the number? 3,51,761 and 2,92,873. ठीक है, so this is your question. आपको पूछा गया which number is ग्रेटर. ओके, क्वेश्चन क्या है, विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर. और कौन से दो नंबर्स को आपको कंपेयर करना है, 3,61,761, 2,92,872. So what are you going to do? You will first compare the digits. Okay, now count the digits. First, step 1, count the digit. Okay, so what will you write? Answer. Step 1. What is the step 1? Count the digits. Okay, so write the first one, 3, 5, 1, 7, 6, 1. Okay, this has how many digits? You can count, it has 6 digits. Okay, then you will go to the next number, 2,92,873. How many digits this has? This has 6 digits. Very good. So I will write here 6 digits. Okay. So now we have equal. So this is, we have equal number of digits. In both the numbers. Yes, we have equal number of digits in both the numbers. Yes or no? So what are we going to do now? We will do the step 2. Now what is step 2? Step 2 जो है, what is our step 2? Step 2 हमें start comparing the digits from leftmost position. So compare the digits from the leftmost position. Yes. So step 1 is the count the digits. You have counted digit, it has 6 digits and this one has 6 digits. So we have equal number of digits in both the numbers. Then we will go to step 2. Now step 2, compare the digits from the leftmost position. Now you will again write 3, 6. Sorry, the number is, let's see. I am writing here. You will write in the next line. Okay. So you will write in the next line. The number is 3, 5, 1, 7, 6, 1. Okay. This, and then we'll put a dash to compare. Then the next number is 2, 9, 2, 8, 7, 3. Okay. Now you have seen the numbers. Now what will you do? You will start comparing to the leftmost number. So see the first number, 3 and 2. So which number is greater? I know you know the answer. The number 3 is greater. So here you will put the greater number sign. So what will you do? You will write this. What will you write here? 3 is greater than 2. Henceforth you get it. So number, therefore, what will you do here? You will just straight up write this. Okay. Therefore, you will write 3, 5, 1, 7, 6, 1 greater than 2, 9, 2, 8, 7, 3. Okay. So this is your answer. Write down this fast so that we can do our next exercise, next question. will do example number. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. I hope you've written this. Again, the page number 2, the example number 2. Okay. Everything that has been written in the board you will write in your notebook unless until I tell you not to write. Okay. जो भी टीचर ने बोर्ड पे लिखा है आप सारा अपने नोटबुक में लिखेंगे और वो चीज़ें सिर्फ वो चीज़ें आप छोड़ेंगे जो टीचर स्पेशली आपको कहेगी कि आपको ये नहीं. ओके. सो नाउ यू विल राइट अनदर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल number 2. Okay, so the example number 2. Now what is the question here? Compare now what do you have to do? You have to compare. Okay, compare. Now what do you have to compare? The number is 870. 870,532 and next number. What is the next number? 870. What is the next number? 870,2358. Okay, the number is 2358. Yes. You have to compare this number and find which is greater. Okay, and what do you have to do? And find which is greater. So what do you have to do? आपका क्वेश्चन क्या होगा आपको करने के लिए? करके find, compare this number. What you will do when you get the numbers? Put the comma so that you can read out the number. Yeah, this is 87,05,321. So you have to compare 87,05,321 and which number? 87,04,358. Okay, these two numbers you have to compare and you have to find which is the greater. Similarly, now what will you do? You will first write the answer. Okay, so here is your answer. This is your margin. Okay. Now here under इसके आंसर होगा. Okay, so first is the step 1. Step 1. What is the step 1? Step 1 will be compare the digits. Now count the digits. What will be the step 1? Count the digits. Now what will I do? I will count the digits. Okay. Now how will I count the digits? Look here. Okay. So first, what is the number? 87,5,321. Has how many digits? Look here, 3, 5, 7 digits. Okay. So this one has 7 digits. Yes. Now look at the next number. What is the number? 87,02,358. Now how many digits does this number has? This also has, see, 3, 2, 5, 7 digits. Okay, very nice. This also has 7 digits. Yes or no? Yes. These both number have 7 digits. So what is your conclusion here? Therefore, both the numbers. What will you write? अभी आपको पता चल गया है ना? You have come to know that both the numbers have 7 digits. So what will you write? वही जो आपको पता चल गया. जो आपको क्या पता चला कि दोनों नंबर के पास 7 digits है. So you will also write that. So both the numbers have 7 digits. Now you will go to the step 2. Now what is your step 2? I will write here. Now step 2 is compare the number from the leftmost position. Okay. What you have to do, you have to compare the number from the leftmost position. Okay, so this is your step 2. Now again look at the numbers here. The number क्या है 8 7 0 5 3 2 1 8 7 0 2 3 1. Now we will start comparing the number from the leftmost position. 87 lakhs 5,321. 7 lakhs 2,352. Now if you see, look at the numbers but 8 is equal to 8. Yes, first number देखो 8 is equal to 8. Then you have 7. 7 is equal to 7. So this is 7. This is also 7. See, the next number is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. Yes. Then what is the next number? 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yes. Then see the next number 3 is greater than 2. Yes. Yes or no? 3 is greater than 2. Sorry, the number is 5, no? Yes. 5. Not 3, the number is 5. So 5 is greater than 2. So you've got the number यहाँ पे 5 कहाँ है यहाँ है. So therefore this number is greater. Again look here what we have done. We have started comparing the digits from the leftmost position. तो हमने क्या किया, first left number देखा 8 is equal to 8. This is equal to this. Yes, 7 is equal to 7. Then the next number is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Then the next number is 5 and the next number is 2. So but 5 is greater than 2. So 5 कहाँ है ये यहाँ. In 8 से 7 lakhs 5,321. तो यहाँ पे आपको पता चल गया which number is greater. This number. So what will you write? Therefore 8 7 0 5 3 2 1 is greater. Just put a box. Is greater than 87 lakhs 2,350. Okay. Am I clear here? So write down this first. Now children, I am going to erase this. I hope you have written this. If you have not written, you will pause the video and you will write it. Okay. Now, example number 3 is your now here what you have to do, write the numbers in ascending order, ascending and descending order. Okay, so you will write everything in ascending and descending order. What is your question here? Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. ये numbers को आपको ascending and descending order में लिखना. Okay, the numbers which I will be giving you here, you will arrange that number. You will arrange that number. I will not write, but arrange it. Okay. Okay. So what will you write here? Arrange. You will arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay. So the number is 51896. Okay. There's 2 8s. Okay. The next number is 873. Then the next is 872. What is the next number? 27562. 27562. Then the next number is 300252. So what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means छोटे से बड़ा. Yes, from small to big. So you will arrange these numbers from small to big in ascending order and in descending order. This is your homework. You will arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay. So this is all for today, children. Thank you. Have a nice day, beta.